One of the reasons that I rent is for lifestyle reasons. Financial, yes, I make more money renting and investing the difference than I would owning, but also lifestyle. I don't know that I'm going to be in the same place for 10 years, which is one of the key things that I would encourage people to decide before they buy. You want to know that you're going to be there for at least 10 years because then you can spread all those transaction costs, spread them out over 10 years. They become much more affordable. It's kind of like buying an expensive jacket. Otherwise, I'm not going around telling people you should do this. Once in a while, though, I get a young person asking me, I'm just about to graduate from college. What advice do you have for me? And at that moment, the best piece of advice that I have is move where the action is. Like, oh, have you tried this? Oh, often surrounding yourself geographically can be hugely rewarding to you as you grow. You can't do that if you bought a house because everybody told you that it was going to be the best investment. And if I were to say, show me where you calculated the numbers that it was going to be a great investment, it's been slightly above inflation. People find this mind-boggling, but they don't properly factor in inflation, opportunity costs, phantom costs, all that. They go 1%. Well, I'll pay 1%. 1% turns into 28%. The point of this is that sometimes money is highly counterintuitive, really counterintuitive. It's unlike anything else. If you and I go to sushi right now and we get sushi for $20, it'll be fine. Probably be a little better, right? If I spend more on a sweater, it's probably going to have a different type of fabric. Money's not like that. If you spend more, you don't get better returns. You don't get better anything. In fact, if anything, you get worse returns